that?
That's the CBS, okay?
From CBS.
You don't like CBS.
I like CBS. I'm not gonna
Why
be.
don't you like CBS?
If I don't like CBS, I'm not gonna do it again, and that's gonna be that.
And that's that.
That's that. That's gonna be that.
CBS television?
Yeah, I don't know. Ken, why don't you like CBS? Why
I
don't you
don't
like
know
it?
here anymore. CBS. That's the end of that.
You get on your nerves.
Get on my nerves.
I don't blame you.
That's it.
I don't even know what CBS is.
You don't like CBS?
I hope.
You like NBC?
Where can we see?
You like ABC?
ABC.
CNN?
CNN.
TLC?
50, and that's final. That's that.
Well, it's CBS. RFT.
A station that I like, and I don't like anymore.
There's nothing, that's what I'm saying.
I don't want any more.
Because he knows he doesn't like CBS.
He's not gonna do it again, and that's that. He's gonna go blow up. Okay? That's it. That's that.
Right, on 6th of June,